Labour Party retreat in Abuja, and at the same time, the unveiling of the fundraising ceremony held in Abuja by the Labour Party. This is the video and P2B speech. Enjoy, don't forget to subscribe.
We have said that we want people to voluntarily support the party, but we don't want to charge people to be a member of Labour Party. They can, whatever they want to do to support Labour Party will be on their own, and we'll be unveiling so many other things that shows we want to build a new party where Nigerians will be part of, where we do not have to hold people to ransom, charge them money, where they need to go and borrow money. They have to contest the election, but I will do and ensure that those who are qualified, competent to serve, will have the opportunity to serve. I'm very asking the owner of this party join the owners and the administrators, everybody will unveil this to the glory of God.
This guy, come on. Oh, this guy. Yes.
Thank you.
No, your face.
Thank you, Your Excellencies. Labour Party is owned by from today.
Your head is here.
Go and get your membership card. The Labour Party.
We really hope that this election, or after this election, a whole lot of changes will really come out, and yes, P2B win, or yes, it takes the lead and Nigeria be great again. Thank you for watching.